It is the evening of May 12th, and I have made more progress. This is 2 days, so yesterday I managed to get that much of the wall put in, and I added a light switch, which I didn't have. Got a little spot for the sconce. If you notice closely, you can see that Frankie has begun putting caulk, C-A-U-L-K, on all the joints, and this went up yesterday. We still need a coat of primer and of course a couple coats of finish, but things are advancing quite well. I spent most of the day this morning dealing with stock market related stuff, but this afternoon, even though this bottom looks like a slam dunk, there is a 7-inch slope, 7 inches of fall between this cross support, I've lost my turn, this grade beam, and on the far side. So instead of having a ramp or a step, I opted to have some kind of wheelchair access if we really wanted one. But because of that, the siding on this side, there's about 6 inches of exposure, and all the way up here, very tight, but it's nice and clean all the way. The line is nice and straight, and the top line is horizontal and ready for more work. I finished off the day by doing some additional flashing. I peeled the outside Tyvek back. I put in some 3M material, I believe it's DuPont, excuse me. Very sticky stuff. It wraps, we start at the bottom, then the two sides, then the top, then I flap the Tyvek over, cut it back a little bit, wrap it with Tyvek tape. It's a double/triple water seal. So very unlikely that water will ever get on that side of the building. So this is my first wall. And if I back up a little bit, this wall is also completed, and the tie-in has already been completed as well. The only thing that's lacking on all these is that little piece of top trim right up here. I've got to locate it, that little piece there. Otherwise, things are looking pretty good. We'll get a quick back view. Yes, my disastrous looking backyard. It is definitely a construction area. It's about time for all the plywood to go. However, this is where I do all my test patterns before I start spraying material. It's all done on these sheets of plywood. So here we go. It's getting there. Tomorrow, I expect, as long as the market doesn't keep me busy, I should have this wall completed as well. It's looking pretty good.